Hello guys, this is Manali. Welcome to this Excel basic video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you most of the basic that you need to know in order to get started using Microsoft Excel. I will give you a quick introduction regarding the Excel. The version of Excel that I am going to be using in this tutorial is Excel 2016. If you are using a different version or maybe an older or even the newer version, also if you are using Excel on a Mac, there will be some slightly difference. So guys, let's start our tutorial. So I simply click the icon here to get started using the Excel, and the Excel now would like me to make a choice. We can open the workbook as well as the workbook saved to your OneDrive or to the location. We will go with the new, we will create a new blank workbook, or you can also select a different large selection of the templates here. You can see the different type of the Excel template, or you can open a blank workbook. So this is a welcome to Excel tool. This is really good way to learn some of the basic of the Excel. There is another template. You can see here the seasonal photo calendar as well as the academic calendar. Well, then the student schedule. You can see that these all are the great Excel spreadsheet that you can just open up and start changing the data. There is an also option to search, like we saw here. There is an also option to search for an online template. For example, I am going to search for the calendar. Enter. You can see that it come up with a more template which related to the calendar, the academic calendar. There the birthday calendar as well. Academic calendar with photos, 12 months calendar. So it's really easy, just you need to open this file and start to changing the data. Let's go with the new blank workbook. I will show you the layout of the MS Excel. Let's start and learn about the layout. An Excel file is we called a workbook or a spreadsheet. First of all, across the top of here you can see that which is quick access toolbar, which let you access the common commands such as the save button, undo, redo. Then here is the file name. Default title is a book 1. We didn't save the file yet. I will show you in my next tutorial how to save a file. That's everything that's in a quick access toolbar. After the quick toolbar, you can see that we have the some tab here, the home tab, the insert tab, draw tab, the page layout tab, formula tabs, and menu row. When you open a particular tab, it's come up with the ribbon. So this all the area, that's all the area we call the ribbons. The ribbons contain all the commands that you will need to perform the common task in Excel. It has the multiple tasks. So each ribbon is divided into the groups. So this one is the first group for the clipboard. The name of the group is the clipboard. The second group is the font. The third one is the alignment and menu mode. So the ribbon is broken into the tabs and the tabs broken into the groups. And you will notice in the corner of some of these group has the little button that's we called a launch button. So basically you can click on this launch button and you can see that it will give you the more option regarding that one. For example, I am going to just click here in the font one. You can see that the more option. Open here, you can see that the more options. So Microsoft has try to fit all the page layout option on this ribbon, but of course there is a limited one. So they have put here the launch button, so you can see here with more option. So let's learn about the another layout, how to identify the rows, columns and the cell in the Microsoft Excel. So the spreadsheet made up of the rows and columns. Let's talk about the columns. The columns are identified by the letter A. You can also say that the horizontal line, that's what we called a column. And if I browse to the right, you can see that there is a more than that one. Let's get to the Z. It goes to column A, and then A, B. So lots of column in the spreadsheet, you can see that. Now let's talk about the rows. So the rows are identified by the number here, and you can see that the vertical line, that's what we call a row. That's the first row, the second row, the third row and the fourth row. So now let's talk about a cell. So a column and row is produce a cell. Every workbook is made of the thousands of rectangles, which are called a cell. A cell is the intersection of the rows and the column. In other words, you can say that the row and column meet. So this spreadsheet contains many cells. This box here, that's what we call a single cell. You can input number or text here. Just you need to start type here and then press enter. If you want to replace this value, just go there, again type here and then press enter. You don't have to double click here, just it can be a type over it. Moreover, every cell in Excel has a name, or you can also call a cell address based on its column and in a row. For example, the selected cell intersected in the column C and the column R. So the cell address is C5. You can also see here, this one is the formula, the name, that's what we call. You can see the address here as well. Let me check out with the another cell here. This one is the column A and the row 6. Here you can see that the name of the column is A6. Let's talk about the another layout. So a workbook contains of at least one spreadsheet. You can easily add more sheet by just clicking here the plus button. You can also change the name of the sheet. Just double click on that sheet and enter the name here. You can see this one is the first sheet. Let me write down here my name, that's Manali, and here in the second name here. Change a name as well, just double click and type. So this is all are the layout regarding the Microsoft Excel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get my new video updates. Thank you everyone.